Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode of this cool amazing power right here in my hand, and basically what this is an acupressure, acupuncture mat. So you guys can actually use this as like a foot massager, a back massager, or just like a cushion as well to help with like pain relief and also like blood circulation, and the list goes on. But first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what is included inside first. Alright, so see they provide us this very nice bag or case right here to hold the product itself. But when we take it out, this is basically what it looks like right here. So they also provide you guys this strap option to actually hold it together, which is pretty cool. If you can see right here, they actually have a little paper that tells you guys to remove this little film that's on here when you guys first use it. And that is only if you guys want to keep it. If you guys don't want to keep it, then you guys don't want to remove that yet. Because basically what happens when you guys first remove that part right there, it actually gets sticky right here. So that way it can actually stick onto the floor and prevent it from like moving. But let's take off the strap and see what the product looks like. Alright, so we got off the strap. If we open it up, this is basically what the product looks like. So there's a bunch of pebbles on here. So like I mentioned earlier, you can use it as a seat cushion, a back support, a foot massager, or however you guys want to use it, that's up to you guys. And then for this product itself, it is washable. So if you guys need to wash it or whatever, you definitely can. So that way you can always have a clean product to use each time. So all these stones are actually embedded into the actual gel material on this mat itself. And for this product itself, they mentioned how it's supposed to be very slippery. So they don't recommend you guys put it anywhere where it's going to be slippery, like your bathroom or whatever. So it's definitely something to remember as well. And then for the back part right here, if you can see, if you guys want to remove the film, you just have to peel it off like that. So that way the bottom part can actually stick onto the ground. And that's only once you guys confirm that you guys want to keep the product. If you guys didn't confirm you guys want to keep the product, you don't want to remove that part yet. And then basically once you guys are done using the product itself, you guys can just roll it back up. So just roll it up like this. And you guys want to use the strap to hold it back in. And once it's tight, you guys can seal it back up like this. And then you guys want to put it back into the bag. Alright, so once you guys put it in the bag, then you guys are all set. So the product itself is definitely super compact, so you guys actually bring it on the go when you guys need to. But now that we do the unboxing of the actual product itself, now let me just test it out to show you guys how well it works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the mat right here, or the acupressure mat right here. So we open it up, take it out, expand it. You guys see that's what it looks like. So obviously right now it's kind of slippery if you guys don't remove the bottom part. But just for this test, I'm going to show you guys how it looks like and how it works. But let's hop on first. Alright, so when you guys step on it, it definitely feels a lot of pain on here. Because when you guys walk around, it's actually really painful. But if you guys just stand still, it should be fine. But let me just try to go on my back and show you guys what it actually looks like and how it feels. Alright, so let me just lie down on the actual product itself to show you guys how it works and how it feels. Alright, so when you guys lie down, it's not that bad. But I feel like if you guys move around, if you guys move left and right, you definitely feel a lot more of that pain on there. But if you just lie down like flat like this, it's fine. It's a little bit painful, but it's not as bad as when you guys go on your feet. If you want to feel a lot more pain or in different parts of your body, you can definitely move around left and right or however you guys want to. So that's basically what the overall product looks like in terms of how to use it. You guys can definitely use it as a foot massager, a back massager, or even like a seat cushion as well. But this is basically what the overall product looks like and how it works. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of that product itself. You can definitely see it actually works quite well. Like I mentioned earlier, you can use it for a lot of different scenarios. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now the unboxing and testing the actual product itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys do want one. Especially if you guys want to get like a good like acupressure or acupuncture massage, then these are pretty nice to have. For this brand in particular, they actually have a lot of other types of massager that you can definitely do your own research to see if you guys want as well. Such as like slippers, the mats, and also like insoles and everything. They basically have everything that's probably the want or need. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.